Hello. Wanted to jump on and share that the Lord has been giving me some words. I'm so excited about 2020. I can't even hardly contain some of the things He's been sharing. So I'm so excited to share some of them with you. But in my email, the last email, I taught on how to make a place for God. That was a word that was spoken over me, and He said, "You have made a place for me. Teach others how to make a place for me." So today, the email talked about getting up early in the morning and reading the Word. That's like number one, because it's putting God first. So it's first fruits, and God is the Bible. The words of the Bible is God, and it breaks that down in the email. So then the second thing I want to share, making a place for God. I want to share on the word positioned, because that's the word He's been giving me, is that I've been positioned, or you're being positioned for whatever your calling is, whatever God has for you. But we have to be proactive in that. We have to position ourselves to hear from God, to grow our relationship with God, to gain wisdom, or to even worship Him. We have to position ourselves to worship Him. So how do I make a place for God? The word today, or the key today, is position yourself. And so what does that look like? There's a lot of ways to position yourself. But what is a key way, when you get up to read the word, where is that place? Position yourself in a place that has no distractions. Like I take my cell phone some days, but I try not to take my cell phone because I want to check things, or a lot of times I look words up on my cell phone, but I'm learning that it's a trail of distraction. So in that consecrated time, position yourself well in an area that's more sacred and holy and quiet, a place where you're not distracted. Preferably the same place every time. God is a God of order. He's a God of discipline and consistency. So if you show Him, I'm going to put you first, I'm getting up every morning, I'm going to show up in the same place, there's a pattern that starts, or discipline. It's a fruit of the Spirit. Discipline starts showing God how much you honor Him, how important He is, how sacred that time is. So when you position yourself to read the word in the mornings, have a special place. I have a friend that uses literally, it's her prayer closet. Literally, it's a closet. She goes into her closet, and that's great. Wherever it is for you. For me, it's an office, but I have a spot in my office that I have a chair and tables where I leave all my books and Bibles out, so I don't even have to pick them up. My journal's there. I don't have to go searching for things. Everything stays right there. So just want to encourage you today to position yourself for that, building that relationship, having ears to hear and eyes to see. That it's like, I even meditate that there's a portal, which, in the Old Testament, Jacob's ladder, angels went up and down the ladder, ascended and descended. But in the New Testament, our ladder, or our doorway, is Jesus. And so I visualize a portal that is over that space, where Jesus is my ladder, and up and down this portal, I bring heaven with my words, with my prayers, with my meditation. I bring heaven onto this earth. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in heaven as it is already in heaven, on earth as it is already in heaven. So I just see that coming and going into the throne rooms, which I'm going to be teaching on that. The going into the courtrooms, going to the throne of God to break off legal access that maybe has come into your life, or to take things and receive things that the blood of Jesus bought for you. So the word for today is position yourself in that relationship with the Lord. Position yourself. So you'll have an awesome day.